Good morning. Now, here we have Ocean View, Rigid Core, and Coastline. We have the original planks that were on the water for 11 days, and now Ivan is going to engage brand new two planks to see that the engagement process worked fantastic and that we have not lost any color, that the color is still the same after 11 days. Thank you, Ivan. So now we're going to start with Ocean View. Perfect. Now we're going to see the process of engaging on the new planks to the two planks that were on the water for 11 days. Absolutely perfect. And also on the right side. Beautiful. As you all can see, no color change whatsoever. And they're all engaged beautifully. So this belongs to the good category, which is Ocean View. Now we're going to continue in the same category, which is Rigid Core. The same process of engaging the original two planks This is amazing to me, absolutely incredible. 11 days on the water, like nothing ever happened. Now these are the two new, out of the box, brand new planks. Engaging also, and the color is exactly the same. No change whatsoever. And the last one on the right side, the same process. And engaging beautifully and no change whatsoever. In the color. So now Ivan have finished the two products that belongs to the good category, which is Rigid Core and Ocean View. And we're going with the last one, which is on the better category, which is Coastline, which to me is it's a magnificent product, but they're all great. And the beauty of this experiment have been that no matter what category we have selected, good, better, or best, Rigid Core, Ocean View, Coastline, and Titan, all have performed unbelievable on the water for 11 days. So waterproof is not an issue. We're going to be working this week with Ivan on a new video exclusively with Titan. We're going to burn it with cigarettes, we're going to use scrapers, we're going to use weight, all the wonderful aspect of the product. This one is Coastline, the same principle. All the planks engaging with no problem whatsoever. And the color exactly the same. I love them all. And this is one of my favorites. I'm not supposed to say that, but I love Coastline. I love the plank that is very wide and long, 60 length is 9 wide. But I mean, it's just a magnificent product. Guys, Thank you very, very much for everything. God bless you all. And as soon as we have the new video of Titan, I will send them to you guys immediately. Take care. Bye-bye.